Hey, good evening everyone. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is lemon syrup. Dahil uso ang cold beef.
COVID-19.
I mean, COVID. Coronavirus disease. So, meron akong gagawin na pwede siya sa lahat. This is non-alcoholic. Pwede sa students, pwede sa teachers, then pwede din sa friends. So, gagawin ko ay isang ladies drink. Wow! So, ang kailangan ko ng ingredients, first is lemon juice. And then, isang ice na pangalawa is ice. Pangatlo is isang Gatorade na lemon. And then, isang lime na tanduay ice. Oops! Pwede na siya ilabay. Ayun na ilabay. And then, isang lime juice. So, oops! Ayun na yan. So, as you can see, non-alcoholic. So, non-alcoholic siya guys. And then, dahil lemon lahat yung flavor, so kailangan ko ng totoong lemon. Galing na assistant ko. So, let's start mixing. Pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit anong brand as long as lemon juice. How do I call that thing? This thing. Spoon. Okay, very good.
Spoonful of sugar.
Pwede damihan ng sugar, pwede rin itan lang. So as long as ano yung panglasa ng mga friends mo. So kailangan natin i-dissolve yung sugar. Kailangan ko na i-crush yung ice. So, and then, isang Gatorade. Meron nga pala akong bisita dito. Ayan. Guys, mas mabuti pag ice blender.
Blended ice?
Blended ice, okay. That's right, that's
Tama
right
ba?
word. Dapat, yung pinong ice, yung pang halo-halo, or pang, mango shake. So next is, tandoy ice. So, kapit sa'yo. Parang masarap na siyang tingnan. Excited na kayo. Para iwas kayo gala, so why not do it at home? So this is the perfect color of the lemon syrup. Sa inyo mo kay picture ang plato. At dyan nagtatapos ang amin lemon syrup.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, Every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it.
Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more bartending.